When you start reading this question, it kind of looks like it's going to be a Carroll's diagram question, also known as a double set matrix question. And it turns out in hindsight that it's actually less complicated than that, and really all you have to do in order to solve it is 45% of 60%, and that's your answer. But you don't know that until afterwards. So the way that I would approach this question is the way I would approach any other Carroll's diagram question. I'd start by setting up the diagram. So I have women, not women, total. Lawyers, not lawyers, total. Since it's a percent question and we're given 60% out of the total, I'd put 100 in the total, and then 60 goes under women. So there are 60 women out of 100 total. And now I'm told that of those 60, and this is where I think some people might make a mistake, it's not out of the total, it's not out of 100, it's just out of those 60 women. So a bit of sentence correction going on here. 45% of those 60 women. Now, how do I find 45% of 60 quickly? Well, I know that a percent symbol literally means divided by 100, so I'd like to just reduce the numbers 45 and 60 by 2 factors of 10, by 100. But there's only one 0 there, right? I can take the 0 away from the 60, but I still need to reduce by another factor of 10, and now I would end up with, I guess, 4.5 times 6, if I reduce the 45 by a factor of 10. But the trick I would use there was I would just grab a factor of 2 from the 6 and give it to the 4.5. So now instead of 4.5, it's 9, and instead of 6, it's 3. That's a much easier computation for me. 9 times 3 is 27, so our answer is 27%. The answer choices are in decimals, so I'll pick 0.27 and move on to the next one. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.